Necessary to facilitate world to respect Meitei women's valor, says Vice President of 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞. 𝐿ꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯁꯅꯥꯃꯍꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ to reach every doorsteps, Manipur Hawker Association to spread 𝐿ꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ's message at every doorstep. Candlelight tributes paid to brave mothers at Thoubal, Wangjing on occasions of 84th Nupilan Day. And 14th death anniversary of Professor N. Sanajauba observed at Oja Sanajauba Memorial Complex, Lairik Yengbam Lekai. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐷𝐿, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Jeribon Apunba Merapai Looped observed the 84th Nupilan Day at Thaugal Marup Yaifa Sanglen's auditorium at Laistram Khun, Jeribon Hailakandi yesterday. President of UCM Konthozam Joy Chandra, Vice President of IPSA Khuraizam Athoba, Secretary of KIL Samjet Sabam Memcha, President of the Merapai Loop Bimala Sarma, Thongak Lairembi Masaikol Semgat Sagat Panupi Loop Leader Yumnam Kamlini, Thaugal Marup Jeribon President Nepram Manindro and Vice President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad Assam Koizam Sapon attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President of IPSA Khuraizam Athoba stressed the need for the government of Assam to announce the 12th of December as a general holiday to facilitate successful observance of Nupilan Day with full participation of the people. He also pointed that it is necessary to facilitate the world to respect the valor and courage of Meitei women. He added that the role of Meitei mothers during the Nupilan and other crucial situations in the state is astonishing.
1939 December ki tara nithoida imam apandu leitawi wale matamadu dagi manipuri kunaya political amadi economic reformation da hadi lengaron amadi semito gelanda Meitei nupi singa manipuri kunaya awal no puraga lakase adu ni de koki matamadu dagi manipuri kunaya ilakiba awal bado aduna maram kada ngasi ekoi imamda ekoi imailon chede usali se kaya mana mating le mali ya ma ka thoma le no ni se ya ni kai ko dari se adu gi likku adu dagi imailon ya ma ekoi da sinara ko ko gi mating ko ko gi to na li se ya british ki loile na ka no adu mayo da iho to la ko ado ekoi lupi sing se mali gi lupi gi kunai kwai ni na kai ko ba
After the release of 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi Mapao for Manipuri lunar month Poinu by offering prayers at Imalay Merel Sidabi and 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi Shrine located at Haying Kongal Ufol Yumpham, Manipur Hawker Association and 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi Temple Board LSTB today agreed on spreading 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi Mapao at every doorstep on the first day of the month of Poinu in Manipuri lunar calendar today. Flyers carrying the message of 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi were handed over to members of Manipur Hawker Association and LSTB at a simple function this morning. Speaking on the occasion, Member Secretary of LSTB Maisnam Sivadatta Luang said, "A wave of revisiting the roots of the forefathers has been gaining momentum in the state today amidst the present crisis to protect the indigenous and integrity of the state. The initiative to release 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi Mapao in every month of the Manipuri calendar was taken with the objective of taking a firm stand to protect the motherland," he said. Vice President of LSTB Vidyapati Senjam expressed gratitude to Manipur Hawker Association for taking the role to deliver 𝐿ाइनिꯡꯊꯧ Sanamahi's message at every doorstep of the state. Senior member of LSTB 𝐾𝐲𝐸 members of 5 Loisangs President of Manipur Hawker Association, 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞 Secretary 𝐿 were among those present on the occasion. 𝐶𝐤𝐿 Youth Organization (TKYO) and 𝐶𝐤𝐿 Merapaibilum Thobal Khetri Laikai 𝐶𝐤𝐿 jointly paid tribute to women freedom fighters of Manipur on the occasions of the 84th Nupilan Day last night. Social and Cultural Development Center, Wangjing also observed the 84th Nupilan Day at Wangjing Irawat Lamkhai last night. Members of Wangjing Lamding Merapaibi Arambai Unit 3 and internally displaced people from More taking shelters at Wangjing Kodombokpi Sports Complex attended the observance. The attendees offered candlelights and floral tributes to brave mothers who fought against the mighty British. Speaking at the observance held at Thobal Khetri Laikai, the 𝐶𝐤𝐿 Community Hall, advisors of TKYO, Puyam Ranjit said that it is a pride for all the Manipuris to be the descendants of the brave Manipuri mothers who took commendable role in every crucial situation of the state and also fought against the British colonial rule in 1904 and 1939. He also expressed the need for the future generation to always remember the role of the mothers, which will forever engrave in the history of the state. As the descendants of these brave mothers, Ranjit called upon the people to jointly protect the state like they protected the state for the sake of the future generation.
Manipur ki puari ki tangka kya da, Luraba tangka kya da, British ki colonial rinda 1904 amasung 1939 ki matamda Ima IBN mayamna Manipur ki puari ki tangka kya da, makhoi logyo responsible adugi Ima IBN amasung masa masu oiriba koi youth singna Ulaga, Irai Pakiyama, Luraba Tangakiada, Icona, Nasigi observation, IT4 Subanupilangi, Umona Sida Iconasi Panguk Tabani, Yamasing Haragade, Nasigi Tungi Miron Idama, Yangan Saru Hegudaba Irai Pakidam, Hortiba Kunaya Sigidama, Nasigi Nupilangi, my Belkia, Lake Vetonado, Nasina Parao in the Tamaga, Nasi Kunaya Sida, Adugunova, Irai Pak Asida Kudung Tiba Teada, Nakuknaba Masum, Ikoi lady have a tap on Adugumba. Hongjang ado miyam na thung na bita mukta ngasi 𝐶𝐤𝐿 Youth Organization amachung apun Merapaibi luk ani pulaga paugel uina pijanagi thorum pangthuk tabni.
𝐂𝐲 Memorial Trust observed the 14th anniversary of 𝐂𝐲 at 𝐂𝐲 Memorial Complex located at Lairikyingbam Laikai today. Speaking on the occasion, Managing Trustees S. Bubol said, 𝐂𝐲 is revered and remembered across the northeastern states for his commendable academic works and advocacy for regional peace, integrations, equal development for the whole northeast region and Manipur in particular. To the people of Manipur in particular and the believers of global harmony, 𝐂𝐲 Sanajauba is one institution emanating the ideas of regional peace for global tranquility, he said. Bubol recalled that 𝐂𝐲 came out as students leaders with a founding thought of Manipuri nationalism with a maiden article, namely Kadomdano Hayengi Manipur, Goes Vidas Manipur, in 1947, and he ended life after writing a series of articles under the same title till 2009. The theme of the article is the integrations of 36-37 communities of Manipur. 𝐂𝐲 also gifted the people with several volumes of Manipur, past and present, and other international level articles which are being referred across the world. As Bubol said, he continued that the 𝐂𝐲 wrote over 200 books including The Creative Judiciary 1985, Gambhir Singh, The Prince Who Rooted Burmese 1990, Human Rights Commission 1992, Confrontations Between the Media and the Government 1890, and The Problems of Illegal Massive Aliens in Northeast India 1983, Nehru on Decolonizations 1989, and LM Other Terrorism 1995, among others.
𝐂𝐲 ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯔꯥꯒ ꯃꯔꯤꯔꯛ ꯁꯨꯕꯅꯤ. ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯥꯏꯁꯇ ꯐꯝꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗꯨꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯀꯠ ꯂꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ 14 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯍꯩꯀꯠ ꯂꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ. ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯇ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯁꯅꯥꯖꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ.
Assam Manipuri Merapaibi Apunbalup Ampal observed the 84th Nupilan Day at the Block Auditorium of Udarbon, Assam yesterday. MLA of Udarbon Assam Assembly Constituency Mihir Kanti Shom, President of Ampal Beni Mishra, President of AMSU Ngasepam Sanahal, President of MIFA Thangzam Brozen were the men guests who graced the observance. Advisor of Ampal Seram Herajit read out the resolutions taken during a meeting on the occasion. The resolutions include the elections of Oinam Bizoya Singha as the General Secretary of Ampal, pressing for swift solution to ethnic violence in Manipur to the authorities concerned, restoration of peace at the earliest, renaming of Ampal as All Assam Manipuri Merapaibi Apunbalup, launching of movement for demand to make Manipuri language as associate official language of Assam government, and the issuance of affiliation certificates to different units of Ampal in January. Around 500 persons, including members of Merapaibi unit Kamranga, Joypur, Mongolpur, Labok, Palarbond, Chandrapur, Panskandi, Taurang Lekai, Rongpur, Madurgram, Moinarbon, Badurgo, Pangram, Bandor, Brabon Dor, Jaraltala, Gumra Jalalpur, Zangolaikai, Chinglaikai, Lamamgram, Salipur, etc. attended the meeting held yesterday. A team of book club Imphal led by IAS Pooja Ilangbam presented winter gifts including blankets and other essential items to students taking shelter at Relief Students Residential Camp, opened at IRE Wangjing. The team handed over the items to the students through Principal of IRE Wangjing, Dr. N. Raziv Kumar. The principal drew the attention of the government to look into the students' relief camp. Haubam Paban Kumar's third feature film, Joseph's Son, received a special jury award at the 29th Kolkata International Film Festival 2023. The award was presented during the closing ceremony held yesterday. Altogether, 15 films competed in the festival. Three-member jury headed by German film critic and film director Rudiger Sechlin, with Tunisian film actress and director Maniam Al-Farjani and Moroccan film actress Amal Ayouch selected Rajni Basumataris Gorai Pakri for the Best Film Award, Shonet Anthony Barritos Aniki Kasmat for the Best Director Award, and Haubam Paban Kumar's Joseph's Son for the Special Jury Award. Joseph's Son tells the story of a young teen who has not returned home to Manipur, an area amidst ethnic conflicts and insurgency. His father Joseph sets out on a journey in search of his football enthusiast son. As Joseph travels, his fear grows deeper, a fear of constant uncertainty, past and present, to which a personal vacuum is aided when he is asked to verify the unidentified body in the morgue by the police. Hobam Paban Kumar is a prominent voice emitting out of the restive northeastern state of Manipur. India dabbling in both non-fictions and fiction storytelling. His film Afaspa 1958 was awarded the Golden Lotus for the Best Documentary at the 56th National Film Awards 2008. A Cry in the Dark is another film screened at the 31st Toronto Film Festival 2006 and MoMA New York 2007. After nearly a decade of documentary filmmaking, he met his critically acclaimed feature film, Loktak Lairembi, Lady of the Lake, which was featured at the 67th Berlin Film Festival 2017 and 21st Busan International Film Festival 2016. Governor of Mizoram Haribabu Kambhampati addressed the first sessions of the 9th Mizoram Legislative Assembly. In his address, the governor highlighted the directions in which his government, under the new ministry, would proceed to fulfill their policy of change, growth and development for the state of Mizoram. The governor opened his address by congratulating the people of Mizoram, who participated in large numbers in the recently concluded general elections held on November 7, 2023. According to him, the high voting turnout rate of 80.43% is evidence of the Mizoram's people's growing and intense interest in the election. He extended his greetings and warm felicitations to all the elected members of the Assembly, in particular the 23 members who were elected for the first time to this August House. The governor also stated that the elections of 3 women MLAs from different parts of the state is unprecedented in the legislative history of Mizoram. He hoped that this historic achievements by the women in Mizoram would certainly have a positive impact on the lives of the women across the state. In his speech, Governor Haribabu Kambhampati outlined the 7 major areas of focus that his administration would place in a high priority on over the following 5 years. They are responsible and responsive administrations guided by the principles of good governance and accountability ensures steady and sustainable development in all sectors, providing support and impetus to the industry, access to social security and social equity, youth welfare and development, protections of the environment and long-term developmental projects which can transformative outcomes.
For a resurgent Mizoram in which corruption will have no place, my government will work to fulfill these, to express my appreciation and admiration to the people of Mizoram for their earnest effort to uphold democratic principles and dutifully exercise.
Welcome you all to UNAPO School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loina da hinglibasing tha amagi manungda control toba ngamlei. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha amagi manungda hanthaba ngamlei. Khong hamba nungaitebasu numit 5 nigi manungda fahanba ngamlei. Piles saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamlei. Cholesterol wangba numit 10 da normal oiba ngamlei. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oiba ngamlei. Fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagathanba ngamlei. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laingjabani. Hakchangda sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makhata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Hena kupaparol gidamak ngasimak langsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Leikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Matam sana luhong bahay base adongi punsita mangjariba manglana du mangphauna na bokot na ba amadi imung manunggi pandamadu phangna na bokot na bada achoba mating oigadori bani aduna matam sana luhong biu luhong bagi damak wabi ganu mating pangjage mating pangjanabagi damak leijare boisa kokye decoration 𝐃𝐄𝐂𝐄𝐈 ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯠ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯌꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯋꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯕꯣꯏꯆꯥ ꯀꯣꯛꯌꯦꯠ ꯗꯦꯀꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ 𝐾3 ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯗꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯀꯞ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯗꯦꯀꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯕꯣꯏꯆꯥ ꯀꯣꯛꯌꯦꯠ ꯗꯦꯀꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ 𝐾3 ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 9362323252 amadi 9863842557 Boisa Kokyet Decoration 𝐾3 Mayai Lekai Imphal East.
Welcome back. In the first session of the 9th Mizoram State Assembly, 𝐶𝐞𝐰𝐬, newly elected MLA from Chelfil constituency, was elected as the Speaker of the 9th Mizoram State Assembly yesterday. Pro Tem Speaker Lalfam Kima declared him a speaker when no other persons has filled nominations for the Assembly Speaker. He was uncontested. Lal Chuang Thanga, a MLA from Aizawl South 2, proposed him for the position. After his elections, he became the 15th Speaker in the Mizoram State Assembly. He conducted a press conference in his chamber after being elected Speaker. Speaker 𝐶𝐞𝐰𝐬 stated that he would remain impartial in the Assembly and work hard for the people's government. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Necessary to facilitate world to respect Meitei women's valor, says Vice President of IPSA 𝐶𝐲𝐻𝐸. Lining Thau Sanamahi Mapau to reach every doorstep. Manipur Hawker Association to spread Lining Thau's message at every doorstep. Candlelight tributes paid to brave mothers at Thawal, Wangjing on occasions of 84th Nupilan Day. And 14th death anniversary of Professor N. Sanajawa observed at Ojha Sanajawa Memorial Complex, Lyric Yengbam Lekai. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.